How to limit FPS in any game. In today's video, I'll show you how to limit FPS in any game. Whether you want to reduce screen tearing, improve performance, or save battery, limiting your FPS can be really helpful, so let's dive right into it. First, check the in-game settings. Many modern games allow you to limit FPS directly from the settings menu. Here's how you do it. Go to the graphic or video settings in your game. Look for options like frame rate limit, VSync, or FPS cap. You can choose a value like 30, 60, or 120 FPS depending on what your system can handle. Just select the FPS cap that works best for your setup. And if you can't find an FPS limiter, try enabling VSync or adaptive sync instead, which will also help with limiting FPS and reducing tearing. And that's it. That's how you simply limit FPS in any game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.